Traffic accidents don't just affect humans, they also pose a serious threat to animals, who are unaware of road dangers and act on instinct. These creatures often appear suddenly, leaving drivers with no time to react, resulting in tragic collisions. In this video, we'll take you through some gripping moments when animals encounter vehicles on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and to help promote safer driving. Animals and humans often share spaces where the risk of harm to animals is significantly high. When unaware animals leap into moving traffic and meet inattentive drivers, the results can be heartbreaking and tragic. In Spain, during the chaos of a traditional bull festival, one enraged bull escapes and targets a parked car with people inside. The animal repeatedly rams into the vehicle, shaking it violently. The passengers inside can only watch in terror, unable to escape as the bull's aggression seems to intensify with each attack. While exploring a wildlife reserve, a group of tourists encounters an enormous elephant. The animal suddenly charges at their bus, ramming into it with force. This footage highlights how animals may react defensively when their natural habitats are disturbed. The driver slowly backs the bus away, hoping to avoid provoking the elephant further. A lone cow wanders onto a railway track, completely unaware of the approaching train. With no time to spare, the train speeds toward the animal. At the last possible moment, the cow leaps away, narrowly escaping a catastrophic collision. The heart-stopping moment is a stark reminder of the dangers animals face near human infrastructure. In a surprising encounter, a bear approaches a luxury sports car and attempts to open the door. With a few powerful tugs, it rips the door clean off its hinges. The driver remains calm, handing the bear an apple, which seems to satisfy its curiosity. The bear walks away, leaving behind a heavily damaged car. On a quiet road, a bear tries to cross and is struck by a passing car. The animal rolls to the side, injured but determined. It gathers itself and attempts the crossing again. This time, despite dragging its body in visible pain, it manages to make it to the other side. The distressing sight is a sobering reminder of the challenges wildlife faces in human-dominated landscapes. A family sitting in their parked car experiences a nerve-wracking moment as a giant elephant slowly approaches. The sheer size of the animal and its proximity leaves them visibly tense. The family can do nothing but watch, hoping the elephant will pass without incident. Their unease is palpable as the animal inches closer. Suddenly, a deer leaps out from the side of the road into the path of an oncoming vehicle. The driver has no time to react, and the collision is unavoidable. The force of the impact sends the deer tumbling, a stark reminder of how dangerous roads can be for wildlife. A donkey wanders onto a busy road, seemingly unaware of the danger. An oncoming car fails to brake in time, and the animal is struck with a loud thud. The collision serves as another tragic example of the risks faced by animals in shared spaces with humans. In a rural area, a bull has fallen into a deep pit, unable to climb out. A group of people uses an excavator to carefully lift the animal to safety. After a few failed attempts and adjustments, the bull is finally rescued, standing on solid ground once again. The teamwork and effort to save the animal are truly commendable. A massive hippopotamus charges at a bus carrying a group of tourists. The force of the attack shakes the vehicle as the frightened tourists scream inside. Hippos, known for their territorial behavior, can be extremely dangerous when provoked. This encounter highlights the risks of wildlife tourism in sensitive areas. Under the cover of night, a large bear and its cubs approach a parked car. The bear seems intent on getting inside and smashes a window with its powerful claws. Climbing through the shattered glass, the animal explores the interior, leaving the car in disarray. The incredible strength of the bear is on full display. bear sprints onto the road, only to be struck by a car moments later. The brief yet harrowing incident reflects the constant risks faced by wildlife in human-dominated areas. An agitated bull charges at a car, slamming its powerful horns into the metal. The repeated attacks leave the vehicle visibly damaged. The aggressive behavior underscores the unpredictability of wild animals when provoked. A truck speeds toward a herd of cows crossing the road. Unable to stop in time, the vehicle strikes one of the animals, resulting in a devastating scene. The incident serves as a grim reminder of the dangers posed by high-speed vehicles in rural areas. A deer leaps into the path of a moving bus, shattering the windshield and ending up inside the vehicle. Startled and panicked, the deer struggles to find its way out, thrashing around in confusion. It's a rare and chaotic scene that highlights the unintended consequences of human-wildlife collisions. In another dramatic rescue, a cow has fallen into a deep pit and struggles to escape. A group of people uses a rope tied around the cow's neck to lift it out, though their efforts initially fail. After several attempts, they manage to free the animal. While the rescue is successful, the method used raises questions about animal safety and rescue techniques. A baby elephant falls into a deep construction pit, struggling to escape. A team uses an excavator to gently push the elephant from behind, helping it climb out. Once free, the young elephant seems reluctant to leave the site but is ultimately frightened off by a small tear gas device. The scene is both heartwarming and thought-provoking.